This is how to guide for running and starting the Skidsteer made by Bobcat. Some quick safety inspections, do an outside view, looking for your oil, check your tires, check for visual leaks. Then once you get in, adjust your seat belt so it fits firmly across your chest. Adjust your seat so you can reach all the pedals and press them completely down. Pull down your safety bar, which needs to be in place, and it's here for your controls. And for the starting procedure, you put the key in, you turn it, and it'll heat the glow plugs up. It'll give a countdown to start to start the glow plugs. And once that's done, you start it, and then you press this button to unlock the controls for the hydrostatic system, turn the parking brake off, and move the throttle. And the safety, down here is the safety hydraulic release. In case it gets stuck, it'll drop the front down. It won't go down by itself. You have the foot pedals down here to curl and tilt the bucket, and then the other one to raise and lower the arm. There is a windshield wiper in here, and the door closes, and I'm going to start this now. I'm going to be moving the sand pile into a smaller sand pile, smaller, to save some space. This is the demo, and I may have to move the pile of gravel as well, the smooth rock gravel. It'll give a little bit of a demonstration. During videotaping, you'll see me move the bucket back using my right leg, going back to the curl. The left leg will raise the bucket and lower the bucket, or raise the arms here, lower the arms, and the bucket. If you go too far down, just stop. You get stuck on the concrete, the asphalt or concrete, whatever you're on. You have to watch that. The only hazard really in here is the visibility from the arms. You can't really see here, or if you have the bucket in front of the door, in front of your windshield, you can't see it beyond that. There are 2 emergency exits in case of a fire or you're getting stuck somewhere. There's one on the front door. If you look up here, you see where the zip tie is. You pull that off and it'll push the front glass out. There's also one just like it on the back. And the falling objects protection system is the mesh on the side windows and the mesh up here. Keeps things from falling on you and smashing the cab. These controls move the wheels. The side goes to the right side, the side to the left. Turns to 180 degrees, 360 degrees in one spot. That's why it's called Skidsteer. And I'm going to close the door and start. So back up a little bit. And that's the how to run and start the Skidsteer. Thank you for watching, and the cameraman is Philip Litwall, and he's also in the lab with me. Sports Shark Landscape Management. I'm Purdue, and thank you for watching.